How many right this second would want to long this?
I want to.
Yeah, I want to too, right? And everything in me is like, oh, let's long this. Let's long this. Is that what you were trained to do?
No.
Nah,
No. And what is it doing right now?
just pull
Right?
back.
Yeah.
Pull back from the 200.
So that's what I mean. Like our brains will get us into trouble because we're like, yeah, but I really want to. But then you go, wait a minute. Is that the discipline though that I'm supposed to have? Now, what did that just bounce off?
9.
9.
Now the 9 and the 200 are really close together, right? Now I no longer want to buy puts on resistance because the 9, the 21, the 200 are too tight. I don't have enough meat on the bones to buy a put here.
Nope.
Resistance level. What am I going to get? This? But the risk is this because it's so high now, right? So now my risk to reward ratio is changing on the fly because the longer this goes up, the more the nine's going to follow it. It's going to come to the 200, and this is going to want to pop to the upside, right? So if I'm like, but coach said that he's going to go resistance and it's got to be puts, you got to use your brain. Use your brain. Is there enough meat on the bone right now for me to get into a trade, a put here to here? Does this look like that's a good trade to any of you in the room?
Nope.
It's trash.
It's also yesterday's highs or yesterday's close. It's red to green.
So we're at maximum resistance. We're waiting the 9, the 21, the 200. They're all right here. Wait for it. It wants to pop. But am I going to do it early? I've already done that stupid game today, right? I've already won that prize. Right here. We're waiting. We're still waiting. This is not confirmation. Is it good that we've got a second candle there? Yes. Has it broken above the previous candle? No. Did it close above previous candle high on this? No. So is this a good trade for me to long now? No. Not yet. Waiting. Now right here. Now this is where I will look at getting in, and I will tell you, I'm going to get in early, right? That's where I go. I'm going to get in early. If that candle does not close above previous candle, no confirmation. Got it? Good. Here we go. New candle just formed. It's still teetering the same spot. If this candle can get above this candle, which was my first candle here, then I'll get in it. But it's got to stay. But for the A plus trade, it needs to close above the candle. Do you see the difference? Not wick, 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 candle. This looks much better. Again, though, it's still not the trade yet. But coach, it's above those numbers. It looks great. It's still. No, it's not. Now this candle is going to give me everything I need. Do you see how that candle closed earlier? If I want now, now we actually have momentum. Now we have momentum. This candle closed above that previous candle. We can see we've got nice, beautiful momentum to the upside. We're staying above this area, giving it this room to work right in here. Boom, we're in a green trade. I don't want to move my stop too tight, right? Yes, I'm in a green trade. No, I'm not going to stop it here. Why? Because I've got upward momentum. I don't need to dink around. There it goes. There's my trade. Boom, $100. Much better. That is a much better, safer, cleaner, all the way around, A plus scalp. Doesn't get any better than that. And now look at the momentum. But do you guys see how just being a little more patient, giving a little bit more room, stop trying to get into every damn trade you see, letting it work, waiting for it to do its thing, looking for that good setup, move your stop, protect your trade, right? These are the things we want. Now, if this pulls back to that previous area, I'm going to long it again. Can anybody tell me why?
Because resistance becomes support.
That's right. What was once resistance becomes support. Yep. And we're above it now. We had a candle close above that. So now I'm going to show you right now. Get a little early, but now right in this area. Boom, there it goes. This is support. More, come on, get up there. Pop. There you go. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Get up there. I don't care. This is still support. Long hair don't care. The beauty of this trade is if this is support and it can't hold, my stop is just below it. If my stop is just below it and it closes a candle below, I can now assess, do I want to short this or not? But this is support. What was once resistance becomes support, right? Now this one, I've got my stop. I can let my stop trigger out. I can wait for this to pop, take my money. Instead of manipulating my stop, I'm going to show you how to do this too. So instead of me trying to finagle to get my stop up there, I'll just take my profit. So when this pops again, here we are in support. Looking for a tap pop. That's support. See it on the 9? Look at that. Oh, it's nice. Come on, get some volume and spike. That's what we're looking for, volume and spike. Why? Because now this trade is, right, this is that area. Oh, hold on, a little more spike. I'll take some money off just so I can talk. Anyway, so now we've gone from red to green, right? It's a red to green trade. I'll take it. There's $50. So now we're at a red to green level. So guess what? If we can stay on the green side, what is it going to want to do now? Is it going to want to go back down into the trenches where it just fought to get out of? No, people are
No,
going to
sir. It
hold
wants
it
to
up.
pop.
People are going to want to try to hold it up. Because if my stop was sitting right here, that's a green trade all day long, right? All freaking day long. Yes. And there you go. Look at that. Now look at that trade. Am I right or wrong? And that, by the way, is how we make the world's greatest stock market traders that have ever lived anywhere on anything, Guinness Book of World Records, all the stuff. No. They're right here. American Dream Trading. Congratulations. Nice job, everybody.